Hello guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So as you can see from the title of the video, these are going to be my 3 top tips for an easy eyelash application, falsies, eyelash application, you know, that good stuff. But what I did forget to mention is that 1, I need tweezers. You might need tweezers as well. Typically beginners do need tweezers, but if you're an OG, if you got this, if you can do it using your hands, go ahead. I can't. And 2, I apply my mascara after I apply my falsies because I feel that if I apply it before, my lashes are gonna separate into their own little clumps, and then it's gonna be really hard to like marinate them with my falsies. So I do it after, so that way when I apply mascara, it's going to form into clumps alongside the clumps of my lashes, if that makes sense. Anyways, if you guys want to see my 3 top tips for an easy lash application, please keep on watching. My very first tip to an easy lash application is to remove the previous glue that's on your lashes from your previous use. This is just going to make it easier for the lash glue you're going to apply to dry quicker, and it won't look all clumpy and bumpy when you put it on your eyes. Make sure when you are pulling off your lash glue, you are being very gentle. And you're holding down the lash from where you want to pull it, and voila. That simple. Next, obviously, you would apply glue, but this tip number 2, is to wait for your glue to get tacky. Now, I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive, the clear white one. You'll know when this glue specifically, or any white glue, is tacky when it becomes transparent or clear-like. And you see how there are some transparent parts in the lash glue? Do y'all see that? That's what I mean by tacky. You see how this part is more white than this part? That's what I mean by tacky. I hope y'all can see that. If you go ahead and apply your lashes when they're wet, it's just going to slip and slide everywhere and it's not going to stick down. So wait until your lash glue is tacky before you go in and apply it to your eyes. Oh, and also make sure to apply a little bit more on the corners of your lashes, so that way it won't lift up. We're going to wait for that to, marinate, get tacky. You can see how the glue is more transparent like. That's how you know it's ready to go. That's how you know it's tacky and it's ready to be applied onto the lashes. And the next tip is to apply your lashes in a over and under method, meaning you go down straight and over your real lashes, and then you scoop the falsies under, and then you apply them. So make sure you're also looking down. This is tip number 3, the over and under method. That's tip number 3. So you're going over and then scooping the lash and going under. Simple. Like so. I'm going to bring y'all in closer so I can show you this eye. Going over and under. And I secure the center. Secure the inner corner. Secure the outer corner. And it's just, the inner corner's lifting. Just like that. Right. Oh. Right over and under. Securing the inner corner. And then securing the outer corner. Ooh, can't see. Securing the outer corner. Like so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are my 3 tips for an easy lash application. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Feel free to leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for love and makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.